Already learned KVL and sign convention? Great! If not, you can watch the previous videos. Links are in the description box. Imagine Anaya is taking a walk around a simple circuit. The circuit has a 12-volt battery, a 2-ohm resistor, and a 4-ohm resistor connected in series. First, let us find the current. Total resistance is 6 ohms. So, current is equal to 12 divided by 6, which is equal to 2 amperes. Now, Anaya walks around the loop using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Rule number 1. When moving from negative to positive terminal of a battery, a voltage rises. So, take plus 12 volts. Rule number 2. When moving in the direction of current through a resistor, voltage drops. So, use a negative sign. Across the 2-ohm resistor, minus IR, which is equal to minus 2 into 2, that gives minus 4 volts. Across the 4-ohm resistor, again minus IR, that is equal to minus 2 into 4, which is equal to minus 8 volts. So, plus 12 minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. The total voltage rise equals the total voltage drop. That's Kirchhoff's voltage law and its sign convention in action. Want physics to feel easier? Watch the previous videos. Links are in the description. For more simple story-based physics learning, subscribe and like. And if you want personal help with physics, feel free to DM me. Thank you.